On June 4, 1996, the Ariane 5 rocket rose majestically into the skies. 37 seconds later, it exploded. No enemy, no hardware malfunction. Just a silent, invisible software bug. This is the story of how a single type conversion error destroyed a $370 million rocket, and what the tech world learned from it. Ariane 5 was the pride of the European Space Agency, more powerful than its predecessor, Ariane 4, and built to carry heavier payloads into orbit. But unlike most test launches, this rocket was already carrying valuable satellites. The stakes were high. Everything seemed nominal during launch. But just 37 seconds in, the rocket started veering off course. It self-destructed shortly after. The investigation that followed didn't point to any hardware issue, but to a small, overlooked part of the flight software. The culprit was a piece of code in the inertial reference system, inherited from Ariane 4. It attempted to convert a 64-bit floating point number representing the rocket's horizontal velocity into a 16-bit signed integer. On Ariane 4, this value had never exceeded the range of a 16-bit int. But Ariane 5 was faster. When the value exceeded the limit, the system crashed. Worse, the value being converted wasn't even needed anymore during flight. And the backup computer? It had the exact same code, and crashed too. This failure taught the world several hard truths. Legacy code can be dangerous when blindly reused. Always validate inputs and handle exceptions. If it ain't broke, don't fix it doesn't apply in aerospace. Redundancy is meaningless if the backup fails the same way. After the incident, the ESA revised its software testing protocols, enforced better exception handling, and began treating software with the same critical importance as hardware. The Ariane 5 disaster is now a case study in computer science and aerospace engineering programs around the world. It reminds us that software isn't just abstract logic, it's code that can fly planes, control satellites, or destroy rockets. One integer overflow. $370 million lost. In tech, small details matter. Sometimes, a single unchecked conversion can undo years of engineering. Subscribe for more true tech disasters and lessons we should never forget.